Hey guys, I wanted to share with you a quick and easy way to grade online using Google Sheets and Google Classroom. So come take a look. So here is a very basic rubric that I made for their career projects. So here's all the information that they needed to find. And I assigned some point values and I put a formula in here that will add up this whole column to sum. And I did the same thing here. So I have a formula here that I put where it'll take the sum of that. And then to calculate their grade, I have these two divided and there is the formula up here and it'll calculate their grade. So again, a very basic rubric as I go and I grade and I add some point values. You notice that on the bottom, the grade is changing. So this is what I used to grade my students' project, and then I wrote any comments that I needed to in here. So what I did first, before I put this on Google Classroom, was I protected all these cells. So I went to Data and Protected Sheets and Ranges, and then I put on here, I highlighted all of this, and I put that I and my co-teacher were the only ones that were able to edit anything typed in these values, just in case I had a student that wanted to go in and alter their grade. So once I had this, I went into Google Classroom and I put a new assignment, and I posted the career project in the new assignment, and I put that each student will get a copy. So what happens is, as they're presenting, I go into here and I have all my students' names here, and I go into here and I click on whatever student I want to grade. So if I want to grade Victoria, I will click on her rubric, and as she's presenting, I will type in all her values for her grade. It'll automatically calculate. And then what I could do if I wanted to is exit out of here and go back to Google Classroom, find her name on the side here, and put whatever grade I gave her in the rubric, and then hit return to give her the grade as well. So this is a super easy, quick way to grade online using Google Sheets and integrated through Google Classroom.